out of the way. Susanna, so
No,
Mommy
it's
can
fine. I'm
take
taking a both of them.
Susanna too. Susanna and Claire just have a completely different body carriage.
Yup.
They,
body carriage? What's that?
hard to describe. Susanna is extremely light and graceful and feminine on her feet. Claire is just more.
She is only 19 months. We should give her the benefit of the doubt. We call her a clodhopper.
Graceful when I was a baby.
Yes.
You were fairly dainty.
Yes. Claire's just. I'm Claire.
No, she's not.
I'm Claire. I have a magic wand. Yeah. Almost spin round. Really? There's just